guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a good video. I am doing a master bedroom and master bathroom deep clean. I am extremely overwhelmed. We have just kind of been out and about all weekend and I haven't cleaned, so the house is like destroyed. And I was gonna do like a whole house clean with me, but I'm like sweating. There's no way. Like, the video would be like 2 hours long. I feel like I have to deep clean everything. It's just one of those days or weeks or months or whatever. I want to deep clean my house. So that is what we're doing. Today's video is also in a collab with two of my best friends here on YouTube, Lauryn Krieger, which I have been friends with for many years on YouTube, and then Amy Fritz, which she's a new friend, but we've been friends for a couple months now, and we have been talking about this collab for a while, and now we're finally doing it. And it is a cleaning video, but our husbands are doing the voiceover. So I am so excited for this. I cannot wait to see their videos. It is going to be hilarious. So when you're done watching my video, please pop on over to both of their channels and check out their videos. And share if you guys feel obligated to. I have a feeling these are going to be some good videos. So let's go ahead and get into this deep cleaning because we all know it needs it.
Here's our bed. I like to sleep with a weighted blanket lately. And so it's always this huge weight to try to take off the bed as we try to make it. Normally, I actually make the bed in the mornings. I go ahead and just like to take credit for that. But today, I let the bed go unmade so that Kristen could do her video. And she does such a great job. I just love the way she stacks pillows. It just brings joy. And right now, I actually do appreciate what she did because she took the pillows apart to wash them. Because as it turns out, my face is gross. Shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. So here we are doing laundry. Now we have this super annoying thing with the cabinet where it's just low enough that if you want to have the cabinet open but also open the washer, you have to open the door, then close the door, then open the other door and close the door. You know, first world problems, but still. Shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime. Little known fact about Kristen, she really likes to get down while she cleans, and she usually likes to get down while watching some snazzy YouTube videos. Here she is jamming out to a song that I can't quite pick out because the screen is like super tiny, but it's probably a really good song. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and get back to the background music. Just imagine that she's dancing to it. Another little known fact. I actually don't paint. I don't like painting. I don't enjoy painting. I will occasionally help with painting, but this is Kristen putting our curtains back up because she painted that wall all by herself. I got to give her some mad props because I just don't like painting at all, but she really has an amazing vision for how spaces should look, and thank God she does, because my vision is just like white walls with, I don't know, like nothing on them. I have no style, but I married into some serious style. Is it just me, or is under the bed one of those places that gets deceptively dusty for seemingly no reason? Comment down below. Do you always find like an awkward amount of dust underneath your bed when you're cleaning?
1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bathroom, which is a hot mess. I never let it get like this, and it's been crazy. And this is all out here because I am redoing the floors in here. This is actually not actually stuck down, and it's not gonna have that white stuff. That's just the sticky on the back side of it. I was laying it out to kind of look at it, and I need to lay these down. I haven't yet just because I've been busy, and I gotta clean the floor real good, and then I actually have to apply this primer, which takes 30 to 40 minutes to whatever you do, gotta dry.
But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again.
For as much as I don't paint, I definitely do build things, and I'm thinking that that's about to be the case here. This is our old shoe rack that I've had for a very, very long time. And Kristen's trying to put it together right here, but I'm pretty sure that, yep, it's broken. Yep. Yeah, this is no good. This is bad. So I'm going to be making a new shoe rack soon.
We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a...
This is the old carpet that was underneath our bed. I really did like it, and Kristen chose a really nice like herringbone style carpet, but it just wasn't working so much. One of our dogs really enjoys crawling underneath the bed and just kind of chilling out there, and his claws, even though we trim them, it still kind of tears it up a little bit, unfortunately. That's why we went with the heavier duty indoor-outdoor rug in there now. And how about that vanity? So I don't paint, but you know what? I do install vanities. And how about that shiplap wall? I may not paint, but I sure do know how to make a shiplap wall.
For anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow mo. So tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, where's the fun in doing?
So the credit goes to me. I found this stuff on the internet, on the Amazon. I found it on the Amazon and I was like, oh yuck. Let's go ahead and see what happens if I buy this stuff. We bought this house with this jetted tub installed, and I remember we were both kind of weirded out by having a jetted tub that, you know, we didn't own. And you can see here, the oh yuck stuff works pretty well, but we're still not quite sure, like, is it just the color of oh yuck? And it's like this marketing thing to get us to try to buy more? Or is that actually stuff it's getting out? I guess the only way we'd really know is if we got like a petri dish or something and took a sample. Maybe I can go convince a high school biology class to run an experiment in our bathroom.
Freak out, sing like, so baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
Another thing about making cleaning videos is watching my daughter interfere in the most cute and adorable ways. So here Kristen is using her new little shimmy shaky broom mopper thingamajigger, and you can see my daughter there, and she is just genuinely curious as to what mommy's doing. Nope, nope, pump it, you got it, you got it, you can do it. Look at her go, look at her go. She's a champ.
You cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out.
So, how do you keep your shower doors clean? I swear that these things just get so dirty so quick. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Comment down below. What are your suggestions? What do you use to keep your shower door clean? Do you just clean them a lot? Or do you have some sort of Jedi trick that you just haven't shared with us yet?
Once the tables turn bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high, and you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful,
got these faucets for the bathroom at the Lowe's, and they are a satin type finish, and they're just really easy to keep clean. They look nice, they're nice and simple, they're very, I guess, modern. I don't really know anything about style, but they're super easy to keep clean, and I just love them. They're the Peerless brand, so they're not even that expensive either. So go check out Lowe's and see if you can find those. They're an awesome deal, and they look good, and they clean up nicely.
Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are. Just the way you.
Okay, everything is so much cleaner. I'm going to clean the inside of the shower when I take a shower, but the outside of the doors are spick and span. Floor is clean, like, oh my god, I can see the floor again. It is so nice. I absolutely am so glad that I took the time to do this. Everything is much better. I feel much better. I don't feel so anxious now that I had a chance to at least clean this part of the house. Bedroom is completely clean, dusted, floors are mopped, everything is put where it needs to be. Just gotta put the cover back on that. Blanket back on top of the bed, a few more pillowcases, but everything is clean, and obviously got to put that stuff away, and my husband puts his own clothes away. So, and I moved this in here if you notice, but I think I like it here a lot better. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you pop on over to Lauryn and Amy's channel after this video and go tell them that I sent you, and go watch their videos. It's gonna be so funny. I cannot wait to see how this turns out. But thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad